Hello friends, in this video we'll study about Opamp as comparator. So comparators are of two types, negative and positive comparator. But before starting that, we know that if we plot a graph between transfer characteristic between input and output of any operational amplifier Opamp, then the plot will be like this. So this reason when the output is varying linearly with the change of input is known as linear region, and the region when the input exceeds a particular voltage, that means this, we get a fixed voltage, and this voltage is plus V saturation and this voltage is minus V saturation. So in comparator we are assuming that we are working or we are operating in this region, saturation region. Okay, so what happens in negative comparator, that suppose we have a wave, triangular or sinusoidal, any type of wave. So we are assuming a sinusoidal wave here. This is our input, V input. Okay, so this input is V input, and suppose the reference, for example the reference is 0 volt here, so the reference is 0, so this is the reference. Okay, so the negative comparator gives an output that whenever the input is greater than, that means this region, whenever the input is greater than reference, that is 0, the output will be minus V set, and whenever the input V input is less than reference, then in that condition the output is plus V set, like this. Okay, like this. So we'll get a square wave output for a negative comparator, whereas in the positive comparator, suppose we have the same sinusoidal wave here. Okay, V input, this is our V input, and the reference is 0 volt, but now the reference is connected with negative terminal or the inverting terminal of the op-amp, and input is given to the non-inverting terminal. So the output when this is reference 0, 0 is reference, V reference. Okay, so whenever the input is greater than the reference, you'll get a positive voltage plus V set here, and whenever the input is less than reference, then we get a negative minus V set. So in negative comparator the output waveform is like this, and in positive comparator the output waveform is like this. Thank you.